Alright. Path crossing. Given a string path, where path of I is equal to N, S, E, or W, each representing moving one unit north, south, east, or west, respectively, you start at the origin 0, 0 on the 2D plane and walk on the path specified by path. Return true if the path crosses itself at any point, that is, if at any time you are on a location you have previously visited. Return false otherwise. So let's take a look at example 1. Oh look, we're starting at the coordinates 0, 0. Let's follow path. Okay, so we have N first. Let's go north 1. Then we have east. Let's go to the right 1. Then we have south. We're going to go south. So down 1. Oh, well, output is false because our paths never like intersected. So like we didn't cross ourselves at any point here. However, in example 2, we do that. So north, east, south, west, west. Okay, so the path does visit the origin twice, I guess, according to them. Yeah. I don't know how that's twice, but definitely visits at least once though. It's, regardless, output is true. So there you have it. Alright, well, this is pretty simple. We can pretty much just solve this by keeping track of the locations that we visit, and just seeing if that location is already inside of like a set. We'll just keep track of it like a set, and if we visit a location that we've already visited, then we'll return true, otherwise false. Yeah. Okay. Oh, also we're going to use a hash map to count up for north and south, or like rather like the coordinates for x and y. We're gonna use a thing. Okay, coordinates is equal to like default integer. I don't like that when you see, so that's too long. C of x. So we're gonna start 0, guys, right? Feel me? Hey, you feel me, bro? Start 0. We're gonna have a visited, and inside of visited, we have to keep track of like the coordinates that we visited. So we're gonna start at 0, 0. If you're wondering why I'm using a tuple and not a list, I'm using a tuple because you can't have lists inside of sets. So we're gonna have that. Okay. So for I in path, as we go through path, if I is equal to n, then we're going to go up 1, right? So y is going to go up 1. So c of y like plus equals to 1. If I is equal to south, and if c of like y is going to go down 1. If I is equal to east, let's do east. C of x this time, guys, because think about the coordinate plane. If we're going to the east, we're going to the right. So this is going to go up 1. And I could be cool and just do an else, but when it comes to code, I care more about readability, so I'm going to do this. Just going to write out, okay. C of x, and down 1. Okay. It's all good. So if c of x, like let's create a tuple. So if c of x, comma c, what am I doing? C, can't type. C of y. If that is inside visited already, I'm just gonna return true, right? Because we, so for visiting, so if the coordinate that we're currently at is already in the visited list, then we're visiting the same location again, so it's gonna return true. Otherwise, we have to add. Okay. So visited.add this C X C or C of Y. That looks right. If we get all the way down here, that means we never visited like the same place twice, so we're gonna return false. Yeah. Okay. So it's gonna be O of n runtime complexity, because for I and path is our input, so that's just O of n. And then our extra space is also going to be O of n because we're creating a default dict. And we're pretty much filling that with every single coordinate in path using path. So that's going to be O of n. And we also have visited. So that's another like O of n, I guess. Yeah, that's pretty much it.